Today we are going to highlight 5 best and healthiest food on the planet. Here are our best 5 food in 2024. Number 1. Avocados. Avocados is rich in heart-healthy monounsaturated fats. Avocado provides a nutrient source of energy and various vitamins. Number 2. Quinoa. It's packed with proteins, fibers and essential nutrients. Quinoa will remain forever a top choice for wellness and well-being of healthy diet. Number 3. Salmon. Salmon is a powerhouse of omega-3 fatty acid. Salmon supports brain healthy and is a lean protein option that beneficial for overall well-being. O provides protein A and D, vitamin D, so if you ever have problems of brain issues, consider to add your diet salmon. Number 4. Kale. This evergreen is naturally bursting with vitamins, minerals, A and D, antioxidants. Kale continues to popular choice for promoting immune healthy and overall nutritional balancing. Number 5. Blueberries. These vibrant berries are loaded with antioxidants, vitamins, and fibers which promoting brain health and potentially reducing the risk of chronic diseases, which may cause problems to health in generally. These days most people are consuming unhealthy food from industry